blizzards across. And behind it, it's opened the gates to Arctic air, so bitterly cold, snow showers, northwesterly wind. Ahead of it, though, it still is mild. So in Cardiff and Bute, the temperature at the moment is 9 degrees. In Birmingham, where we've got our weather front, it's 5. It's already gone through Manchester, Belfast and Edinburgh, so you can see the temperature here is lower. And as the weather front continues to journey south this morning, eventually clearing the far south of England, we'll all be bathed in this colder air, perhaps parts of the southwest hanging on to the higher temperatures just that little bit longer. So we've got some patchy rain pushing south, courtesy of that weather front. Behind it, sunshine and showers, but the showers will be wintry, even at lower levels, particularly across the north of Scotland, where we could have 2 to 5 centimetres of lying snow quite easily, but it's coming down these coastlines as well. Black circles represent the gusts of wind. Look at this, 70 miles an hour. Not surprising, really, that we can have blizzards across the far north of Scotland. Here too, there will also be some rough seas. Now, temperatures, 2 degrees in Aberdeen, 5 degrees in Norwich. Don't forget that strong north or northwesterly wind. It will feel more like -4 in Aberdeen and freezing in Norwich. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, under clear skies, the temperature will fall away even more. We'll see further snow showers piling in across northern Scotland into central areas, coming down the coastlines as well, getting inland into East Anglia and Wales. And it's going to be a widespread frosty night with also the risk of ice on untreated surfaces. So tomorrow we start off with a lot of sunshine, but tomorrow could well prove to be colder than it's going to be today. And there's a greater chance of those snow showers making it inland. Again, we could see some of those at lower levels, but especially so across the north of the country. Still quite windy. That snow's still going to be blowing. And these are the kind of temperatures that you'll see on your thermometer, but it will feel colder than that. By the time we move from Tuesday into Wednesday, we've got this little weather front just waiting in the wings in the Atlantic. It's a warm front, and as it comes in, something less cold will follow on behind it. So we start off on a bright and a cold note during the course of Wednesday morning. You can see how the cloud builds. Still this cold northerly wind coming down the North Sea. Then in comes the warm front from the west, bringing in some rain. So we'll start to see the temperatures recover a little bit. But if you're banking on that, don't, because as we head into Friday, it's going to turn cold once again. Lou and Roger.
I suppose, I mean, it is the time of year, Carol, but it's still a bit of a fright. Thank you.
Pleasure.
10 to 7.